we want to provide good service to the tenants. Okay, it drives me freaking crazy that people pay a third of their income to landlords, and we're not treating them like kings. You know what I mean? If you're going to give me a third of your income, John, I'm going to call you. I'm going to make sure you're happy. I'm going to call you and thank you for paying rent on time. It's I want to make sure that I'm providing you excellent service because it's a big deal, right? So one of the list is tenant calls. Okay, so a tenant might call and say, "Hey, I can't get my furnace going." Okay, well, it goes right into this tenant call. So then the office person will call the maintenance person and say, "Hey, they can't get their thing going. Can you go check it out?" Okay. Well, it doesn't come off the Asana list unless it's done. You know what I mean? That's why it's if somebody calls and then I call this other person and then, they forget or something like that, then it's the tenant calls 2 weeks later and it's dude, I don't have a furnace, But if it gets onto this list, it just never comes off until it's done. So I love that about it. Also, you can her name's Debbie. Debbie can put it in there, and then she can assign that task to anybody. She can assign it to my father. She can assign it to my maintenance guy. She can assign it to herself. And then then you can go on to Asana and just see just the tasks that you're assigned, or maybe it's a group task. And then everybody can put notes in there as well, and you can get it right on your phone. It's awesome. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So that sounds like a great tool to be using.
It's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.